The Russian missile launcher that prosecutors say was used to fire the weapon that brought down Malaysian Airlines flight MH17 in 2014. The videos were collated from social media sites by the organisation Bellingcat, whose evidence was used by the multinational joint investigation team leading the criminal investigation. Russia denies involvement.
What we know from Bellingcat is at some point in the later stages of the investigation, they went back to look at the sources, some of the social media posts that they had used to substantiate their investigations in order to provide that to judicial authorities in the Netherlands. And at that point, the content had come down.
Evidence from social media plays a central role in many investigations, like these videos uncovered by Amnesty International, purportedly showing abuses carried out by the Nigerian army during its offensive against the terror group Boko Haram. In its new report, titled Video Unavailable, Human Rights Watch warns vital evidence is being deleted.
What we started to notice in the last few years, particularly since 2017, is that we would see a video of, let's say, soldiers executing someone or, an ISIS propaganda video. And, if 15 minutes later, an hour later, we went back to look at the video again, it was suddenly gone.
Social media companies told Human Rights Watch they are required by law to remove material that could be offensive or incite terror, violence or hatred. As well as human moderators, many also use artificial intelligence algorithms to take down material.
Nowadays, these algorithms are so effective that they are taking down content the minute it gets posted. So no user ever actually gets to see that content before it comes down.
That includes law enforcement agencies pursuing criminal convictions. The International Criminal Court issued its first arrest warrant in 2017 based largely on evidence collected from social media for the Libyan commander Mahmoud al-Werfali, accused of murdering several captives. Civil society groups like Syria Archive are using social media videos to document potential war crimes, including the use of chemical weapons.
What we're calling for is the creation of some kind of global mechanism, sort of an archive or library.
Human Rights Watch says it is in dialogue with social media companies about creating such an archive. Twitter said it is unable to provide civil society organizations access to users' content without an appropriate legal warrant. Facebook and YouTube had not responded to Human Rights Watch or VOA requests for comment by the time of publication. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, London.